morning, guys. Welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play video inside my world. If you haven't watched the last video, I had to restart. I was gonna post another video, but I didn't think it was quite good enough, so I started rebuilding my house and I started working on my bedroom. So yeah, we're gonna continue working on my bedroom. I called the last video restart, even though I should have called it working on my bedroom. But what the heck? We're back on track now. We're back on track. So no more I don't know, crazy videos like that last one was, and this one might be. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Right, forgot. Oh well, what the frig. Anyway, so yeah, if you guys are wondering, frig. Hold on, let me just give. I am in creative mode. If you guys are wondering, what else was I gonna say? I feel like I was gonna say something. I'm having another one of my brain farts as usual. I can't even talk. So, yeah, we have a special video for tomorrow if you guys watch my videos. But, I'm not going to be announcing that until tomorrow. So, you guys will have to wait till tomorrow to find out what this new amazing video is. Not it's gonna be not that it's gonna be amazing, but I will be joined. Anyways, I will be joined by some helpers. So, yeah. And my helpers, I will list them off. I think we're having a guy whose name, one of my friends, DirkBlock79, maybe. I know we're having my friend Warrior Lollipop, and I know we're having this guy whose name is Mana38. Oh, I messed up on here. I call that. So his name is Mana38. He's my best friend. And then I have some of my other friends. So we have Mana38, and we have who else? We're gonna be having Chef Penguin. I don't know. I can't remember who's gonna be joining, but yeah. Actually, Chef Penguin is gonna be using my account because yeah, he's gonna be using one of my accounts because he's not bringing his PlayStation. For Mana38, he's actually bringing his PlayStation where we're all having like a big party like it's 1985. And I don't know why I'm telling you guys all this, but what the heck. Anyways. So, the last video kind of ended like on a stop because I ran out of recording time and I forgot to check the time. Classic Luxury Creeper. So yeah, this is basically my bedroom. I'm just doing a green and black checkers. So yeah, this is basically it. And so this is where I'll be starting my videos. I'm going to do like an outside tour of my house. The thing is that I put those stairs right there. That's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be building a layer around these, which I guess I can start right now. Not to get off track or anything, but I don't really like that right there. I don't know. Not to get off track, like I said, but I'm going to be covering this up. So if you guys watch this video, then you'll know why those stairs are there. But if you never watched this video, you'll never know why those stairs are there. You'll never really uncover the secret unless I tell you. Anyways, I'm getting way off track. So yeah, here's my bedroom, and so we're working on it today. Basically, just going about building it. And so yeah, I had to restart, so all my doggies are gone. We had Max and Cupcake and Rocky, and they are all gone. But whatever, we can start a new, brighter future here in Luxury Creeper's world. And you know, I think probably there I could have like a, you know, maybe like over there a statue and like I don't know, somewhere I want to build a clock tower. Probably the next thing we're gonna build is my statue after we're done my house completely, or mostly, I guess. Then we can work on my house. Okay. Okay, so we have green's gonna be right there. Oh, frig. Hold on, I'm gonna have to go over here for a sec. Do that right there, and then do a green block and a green block. Alright, and then, so we're gonna go over here. Sorry. Oh, I'm gonna go here. Get a good look. Nice. Alright, so, where was I? Where was I? Oh, yes. And then there'll be one, right, there'll be a block right here. Break those. Wonderful. Oh, frig. I'm gonna have blocks like around here. I don't know what I just did there. I think I just wasted a bunch of time by just randomly placing blocks I thought would work, and then they ended up not. Anyways, let's see. Okay. There, there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go, and then we'll do 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Okay. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, and then yay, my bedroom's almost done. Alright, and then whoa, so this is what my bedroom's gonna look like, and I'm really, okay, so this black thing just popped up on my screen. Oh, there we go. It's gone. And then we have the painting, quite lovely, has a crack in between it. Whatever, that sounded weird. Sounded like wrong and weird. Oh well. So, so I could start filling in the edge. Let's see. Okay, that didn't work at all. That is why. No, it's not. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what this is. Drivers need to be updated. Okay, well, thank you for that notification. If you guys can see it. I'm just going to ignore that. I'm really disappointed that that's there. I know I have some pop-ups and stuff. I'm gonna go with not now. Thank you. You go back down in your place. Okay, no. Sorry, that's a little embarrassing. Wow, okay. Anyways, that's a little embarrassing. Whatever. Whatever. Going around. Please go away. I don't want my drivers to be updated. Besides, I don't need anything updated. I had a check. Okay, anyways, so. What is. Oh, that's right. That's the thing I'm going to be filling in. Yeah, it matches. Okay. We'll do that later. Anyway, so yeah, here's my bedroom for the most part. And now, I don't like doing this creative, but whatever. What are you going to do? You can't hurt me! So, I'm going to If I can find carpet, and a true Maine. That's like what people in Maine sound like. I heard. I don't know. Frig, that sounded weird. Okay, and then I'll take you for you, and then you go there. Boop. So then we will go. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry about the annoying clicking. You guys are probably wondering what the heck is that? It's my computer mouse. I'm sorry. That sounded weird. Basically what I just did there. So anyways, if you guys do watch my videos, not that many of you probably do, but if you guys do for some reason watch my videos that are pretty horrible, then I thank you very much, because I don't know, I think my videos are good. You guys may not think they're good. I think they're. Oh yes, alright, so now we do the black carpet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See, the black matches the green. Goes with the green, and the green goes with the black. Spotted that spot there. Boop! There we go. That was weird. Oh, go. Man, I think I'm having a stuttering problem. Nope. Another piece gone. Alright, where was I? Oh, yeah. See, my room's gonna be like all creepery, black and green. I mean, I don't really like lime green. I'm more of a dark green fan myself, like evergreen fan. Like if you've ever seen a pine tree. If you don't know an evergreen tree is, like a forest green Christmas tree. Like the classic Christmas trees that aren't colors. Yeah, I guess they make those, plastic fake trees that are like pink and white and stuff. I don't know if they even do that. I've heard they did. I don't know. Anyways. Wonderful, look at that. Doesn't it? Whoa, it's like an optical illusion. Oh! Whoa! I could have made it an optical illusion. Whoa, 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 whoa. Anyways, that's funny. So I better place my bed right in the center. Okay, and then we'll place my bed, my beautiful, beautiful bed, right there. And then I was thinking on doing, let's see, 2 black walls, 1 and 2, and 1, 2, and then boom, and then we're gonna have some torches. Wow! Wow! Where was I? Alright, pickle looks like I didn't know what a sea pickle was. Assuming it's like a pickle that grew in the sea, I guess. I wasn't sure. I figured it could be anything.